Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Dragonwings Bangkok Air Boeing 717-23S. This model is produced by Dragonwings in 2002 and 2003, and it carries the colorful tropical livery Bangkok Air was using in the 2000s, with the aircraft name Samui. The aircraft was powered by two Rolls Royce BR715 high bypass turbofans, producing up to about 18,900 pounds force, or 84 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 117 passengers, depending on layout and configuration. This aircraft has a typical cruise speed of 444 knots, or 832 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 1,400 nautical miles, or just over 2,600 kilometers. As a note for collectors, Gemini Jets produced a 1/200 scale version of this aircraft with its HS-PGP registration in 2017. Herpa Models produced this model twice with the local registration number in 1/500 scale in 2007. Originally, the 717-200 was delivered to the Bangkok Air on November 7, 2000. At this time, the aircraft was painted in Bangkok Air's tropical livery that they used in the 2000s. Initially, the aircraft flew under its test registration of November 9014S, but then switched to the local registration of HS-PGP. Spanair took possession of this aircraft in February 2008 and repainted it in their billboard livery and changed the registration to EC-KNE. In April of 2011, the airline known as Blue One leased the aircraft for their use. The aircraft carried a Star Alliance paint scheme its entire career with Blue One. The registration at this point was changed to OH-BLQ, and they named the aircraft OH-BLP, which translates to Play of Waves. Delta Airlines purchased this aircraft in November 2015. This aircraft once again got a new livery, the Delta Airlines current, as of 2023, Onward and Upward livery. Again, the registration was changed to November 989DN. In 2020, the aircraft was placed in storage at the Blytheville International Airport in Arkansas, where the plane sits today. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you, and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.